Good. Good, good, good.
So easy.
Yeah!
Good work, dude.
Jordo! Yeah! Just working my way back to where he was. Before the crash. Alright, so yeah, it's just shoop right there. Just control speed all the way into it. And bloop bloop. And then you're fine. Home free. Yeah. Easy. These buggies. Alright, so yeah, just control speed, left turn, keep it slow, and then just dot, dot, let off. Alright, done this before. Got some sweaty palms. Here we go. Lightweight. Do this. Lightweight. Got this. Just brake control. Brake control. Brake control. And. Frick yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh. I think that was scarier that time than the first time I did it. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, dude. Oh, that was sick. Oh. All right. Whew. Oh man. Holy smokes. Whew. Oh, freaking did that like 2 months ago now. Then proceeded later that day to tomahawk and land on my head. To be honest, I thought I broke my neck and my back when I first did it. But luckily, that was not the case. So, just trying to get back to where I was. Get that confidence back. Holy crap. That felt good. Whew. Yeah.